Today, we're diving deep into Xiaomi's latest flagship release, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. This smartphone is packed to the brim with innovation, premium materials, and leading-edge hardware. Whether you're into mobile photography, performance-heavy tasks, or just want a device that looks and feels high-end, this one might just be what you've been waiting for. So sit back as we explore everything from build quality to performance, cameras, software, and more. Build quality and design. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a device that screams sophistication the moment you pick it up. Measuring 161.3 millimeters in height, 75.3 millimeters wide, and 9.4 millimeters thick, this phone walks the fine line between robust and elegant. Weighing in at around 226 to 229 grams depending on the finish, it has a reassuring heft without being overly bulky. Xiaomi offers a variety of back panel options, a smooth glass fiber texture, a refined eco-leather, or the ultra-premium silver chrome edition, which takes direct inspiration from vintage cameras. The silver chrome model, in particular, is built using aerospace-grade glass fiber and classic PU leather, giving it a unique look and feel in a sea of glossy slabs. It's framed by a strong aluminum alloy chassis and offers IP68 water and dust resistance, so you're protected whether you're caught in the rain or dealing with everyday splashes. In short, it's a smartphone that's not just made to impress, but built to last. Display. Up front, you're looking at a stunning 6.73-inch LTPO AMOLED panel. This is no ordinary screen. It boasts a crisp WQHD plus resolution of 3200 by 1440 pixels, displaying up to 68 billion colors. The result is incredibly vibrant visuals with lifelike accuracy. Scrolling and animations are buttery smooth thanks to a dynamic 120 Hz refresh rate. Xiaomi has pulled out all the stops with display quality, adding support for Dolby Vision and HDR10+. Watching HDR content on this display is truly cinematic, and with a peak brightness of up to 3200 nits, even direct sunlight won't wash out your screen. Shield Glass 2.0 protects the panel, making it far more resistant to drops and scratches compared to standard Gorilla Glass. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or reading, this display is among the very best on the market. Performance. Powering the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, built on an ultra-efficient 3nm process. This is one of the fastest processors ever put into a smartphone. It features an octa-core CPU and the Adreno 830 GPU, delivering cutting-edge performance across the board. Whether you're multitasking between heavy apps or playing graphically demanding games, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra doesn't flinch. Backing that power is up to 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM and internal storage options that go all the way up to a massive 1 TB, using the ultra-fast UFS 4.1 standard. The combination of fast memory and efficient thermal management means the phone stays cool under pressure and delivers consistently smooth performance. Now let's talk about what is arguably the crown jewel of this device, its camera system. Xiaomi has once again teamed up with Leica to deliver a photography experience that's both powerful and versatile. The main sensor is a 50-megapixel Sony LYT900 with a full 1-inch sensor size, offering incredible depth, sharpness, and low-light capability. In addition, Xiaomi 15 Ultra's main camera features 4-axis OIS and larger format input EIS for improved stabilization. It offers enhanced shooting, with respiratory and focus breathing compensation for smoother zooming and stable image quality. But it doesn't stop there. There's also a groundbreaking 200-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 4.3 times optical zoom, using Samsung's new HP9 sensor, which is one of the largest periscope sensors in any phone. This enables you to get clear, detailed shots even at significant zoom levels. Complementing these are a 50-megapixel 3x telephoto lens for portrait shots and a 50-megapixel ultra-wide lens that captures sweeping landscapes and macro-level detail with remarkable clarity. Video capabilities are just as impressive. You get up to 8K recording at 30 frames per second and 4K at up to 120 frames per second, offering cinematic quality right from your pocket. There's even slow motion at a staggering 1920 frames per second in 1080p. On the front, a 32-megapixel selfie camera ensures crisp, detailed shots and crystal-clear video calls. Battery and charging. Battery life on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is just as strong as the rest of its specs. Inside, there's a 5,410 milliamp battery powering all that tech, and it's optimized for longevity and fast refueling. With 90-watt wired fast charging, you can go from 0 to 50% in just 10 minutes, and a full charge in under 30 minutes. Wireless charging is equally impressive. 80-watt fast wireless means you won't be stuck near an outlet for long. Xiaomi's Surge battery management system intelligently monitors usage and charging to keep your battery healthy in the long run. Expect up to 25 hours of video playback and solid screen-on time even for power users. Software and features. On the software side, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra comes with Android 15 layered with Xiaomi's new HyperOS 2. This new version of their interface brings smarter, cleaner design and powerful AI tools. Some of the standout features include AI dynamic wallpapers, AI-powered image editing, smart search, and seamless Google Gemini AI integration that boosts productivity and creativity. Another headlining feature is the inclusion of two-way satellite communication. This allows users to send messages even when completely off the grid, a big plus for adventurers or anyone who frequents remote areas. The software is smooth, fast, and responsive, with thoughtful additions that genuinely improve day-to-day use. Audio and connectivity. Audio quality on the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is nothing short of flagship tier. Dual stereo speakers tuned with Dolby Atmos provide rich, immersive sound whether you're watching movies or playing games. The speaker system offers excellent clarity and surprising depth for a phone. Connectivity-wise, the phone supports the latest Wi-Fi 7 standard, Bluetooth 6.0, NFC for wireless payments, and a USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 port for high-speed data transfer. This means it's ready for high-performance accessories and future-proofed for the next few years. Summary. All things considered, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is a powerhouse of innovation and engineering. It balances raw power, elegant design, advanced imaging, and futuristic features like satellite connectivity into one compelling flagship package. Whether you're a creator, a gamer, or a tech enthusiast, this phone is designed to meet and exceed expectations. If you enjoyed this in-depth look at the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more reviews and comparisons, and tap the bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.